kids, it's me again. Yeah, here's a new update for Johnny. Today's December 1st, 2023. And I was having a problem with my blinker switch not wanting to work right. So I ordered another blinker switch. But before this got here, I went back out, took that other one totally apart, and realized what the problem was. Tightened up the screw because you had to take it totally apart to get to the screw that held the bottom part of the switch. With the top part, it had loosened up, and you actually have to have something underneath to hold it. It has to be done before it goes into the case. So I got it back together and it works, but I got a brand new one in the box. And since I figured I was going to have to order this, I ordered something else for Johnny. Anybody know what those are? Yeah, I'll let you read it. Look at that. They're not like the originals. I could have got the originals, would have been $5, $8 more, something like that. And the originals has a wire in it, and they're a cloth type wrap, and they rip and tear. These are plastic, probably going to last longer than me. There we go. Stuff for Johnny.